Hello everyone, my name is Wilfred Dubois. I am an epidemiologist and the founder of epiGuider. I'm happy to welcome you to this first data challenge. The aim is for us to work together and learn from each other. Let us dive right into it. We have collected data on refugees and returnees coming in from Cameroon, from Chad, and the Central African Republic. An NGO called epiGuider is providing basic primary health services to these refugees and returnees in two sites. The Maroua site Cameroon for refugees and returnees from Chad, and the Ngaoundere Cameroon site for refugees and returnees from CAR. Your task is to analyze this data and provide insights that can help improve the health services provided to these individuals. You have an Excel file with 4 sheets. First, you have the data dictionary sheet, which explains all variables in your dataset. Secondly, you have the Maroua chart sheet that has data for the site in Maroua for persons from Chad. Thirdly, you have the Ngaoundere car sheet that has data for the site in Ngaoundere for persons from car. Lastly, you have the combined data sheet, which is an empty sheet where you'll be expected to combine the data from the Maroua chart and the Ngaoundere car sheets to have your final data set. Your challenge consists of the following tasks. 1. Data cleaning. Ensure the data is clean and free of errors. You can make use of the data dictionary to identify possible errors. 2. Descriptive analysis. Provide a summary of demographic information. It could be age, gender, nationality, and what have you. You can use the age groups less than 5, 5 to 15, and above 15 years. Identify which age group has the most patients. Health analysis. Identify the most common health issues faced by the refugees and returnees. Lastly, recommendations. Based on your analysis, we expect you to propose recommendations to improve health services for the refugees and returnees. If you're interested in participating, download the dataset using the link provided. Perform the analysis using your preferred tools. This could be Excel, Python, R, and whatever you. Share your findings and recommendations and post on this page using the hashtag #EpiDataChallenge. Let's work together and make a difference. Feel free to ask questions or seek clarifications in the comments below. Happy analyzing.